Hello again. This is lesson 4 of chapter 5, and still we are discussing terms on body organization, and the focus will be on pronunciation here. Now, page 82, we have these words, and you remember we talked about them, directional terms. Deep means away from the surface of the body. Supine, lying on the back, face up. Prone, lying on the abdomen, face down. Plantar, the bottom of the foot or the sole of the foot. Dorsum, the top of the foot. Let's see the pronunciation.
Deep, deep, deep. Supine, supine. Prone, prone. Plantar, plantar. Dorsum, dorsum. Dorsum,
Now the terms on page 84, talking about the planes. We have frontal plane, of course, which separates a structure into anterior and posterior portions. Coronal, the same, because I told you earlier you have to learn the two names of the same plane. So here we have frontal and coronal. They refer to the same plane. So separates the structure into anterior and posterior portions. Now sagittal separates the structure into right and left portions. Mid-sagittal, it is almost the same thing, but the difference is that the two portions are equal, are identical. So here the meaning separates the structure into equal portions, right and left. We have another one which is called parasagittal. It is not mentioned here in page 84, but you might come across it maybe later. The meaning situated alongside of or adjacent to a sagittal location or a sagittal plane, which is near. Alongside means adjacent, next to, okay. Para, taken from parallel. If you refer to the book, maybe you can find it somewhere else. Anyway, we will see the pronunciation later. Now, transverse and horizontal, they have the same meaning. I told you earlier about that, but you need to learn their pronunciation. The meaning separates a structure into superior and inferior portions. Let's see the pronunciation.
frontal,
coronal, coronal, sagittal, sagittal, mid-sagittal, mid-sagittal, parasagittal, 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 transverse, transverse, horizontal, horizontal,